we got 1939 Chevy, Florida edition. Sunshine State. Anyway, got the old small block with the flames on the valve cover and the air cleaner, and Screaming Eagle on the side, red, white, and blue. Of course, I'm wearing my SAV Confederate flag T-shirt with the big flag on the back. Yeah, you got a flame steering wheel. That looks really good. I like that. You know, sometimes I don't like aftermarket steering wheels on older cars, but that really I like. That's freaking wild. That's wild, man. I like that one. Big old comfy seats. It's the liveliest of all the old low-priced cars, and no other car combines these famous features: exclusive vacuum gear shift. I can almost read this. Oh yeah, I can read it now. Glare. New long life riding base. And 8.5 horsepower. What the heck does that mean? No, 85 horsepower valve and head 6. Perfection. You know, I don't have my glasses on. It's like freaking, I gotta use reading glasses, but I can still read this shit. It's a little bit of glare on here though. And new observation car visibility. Wow, cute. You got everything in this. That's a sales talk. Go buy one right now. Anyway. And after I get these videos uploaded, you're gonna see my my Confederate CSA war belt. I got it in the belt with the holster and ammo pouch, and I got my Bowie, of course, Bowie, whatever they call it, and then you know the Colt Navy revolver with the holster. Yeah, I got the holster, so I got a CSA war belt, black powder war belt, man. Anyway, pretty wild, huh?